Welcome to the Ignored Corner. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and often overlooked topic in C programming, the comma operator. So, what exactly is the comma operator? Well, the comma operator works from left to right but returns the rightmost value. You'll often see it used in for loops. When you have expressions separated by the comma operator, they're solved from left to right. The value and type of the rightmost operand are what get returned. Let's look at an example to make this clearer. Consider the following assignment statement. In this case, the expressions j equals 1, k equals 2, 3, and 4 are evaluated first. Then the value of the expression is returned as 4 and assigned to I. Let's take a look at a couple of quick examples to see how this works in practice. In our first example, we have this. Here, the variable a is assigned the value 5. So, the output is 5. Now, let's tweak it slightly. In our second example, we have this. This time, because of the parentheses, variable a is assigned the value 6. So, the output is 6. And that's the comma operator for you. It's a simple yet powerful tool in C programming, often overlooked but incredibly useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting programming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching The Ignored Corner.